Hey everybody, it's Cody at Adams Custom Wheels in Gainesville. We just got done with a 2008 Jeep Wrangler. He's rolling on 20x9 fuel Titans, and he's got 35, 12, 50, 20 Mickey Thompson ATZ P3s. That's a great looking package. Got the fifth wheel in the back because got to do that if you're rolling on a Jeep Wrangler. This is a great package we put together for him. We also did a 3.5-inch Trail Master lift kit over here at our off-road suspension center. Came with new shocks, new coil springs. Looks good. We also did the four-wheel laser alignment over here. We can do your alignments. We're used to doing 35s, 37s, 33s. We know what we're doing here. Come and check us out. If you're riding around Gainesville, we're off of Brownsbridge Road, right next to Linex. Or give me a call at the shop, see what we can do for you. 678-971-1420, or call me direct, 770-940-2033. Come and check us out.